Welcome to watch the installation instructions for vertical solar PV poles. This product's main parts are 2 sets of vertical solar module kit, anchor sets and bolts, a pole, cables for the solar panels, and ISPL-GW lamp head. Step 1. Prepare for concrete base. Step 2. Pass the solar panel connecting cable through the pole. Step 3. To connect the vertical solar module kit, number 1. Step 4. To connect vertical solar module kit, number 2. Step 5. Turn on the switch to test whether the lamp can light up. Step 6. Open the rear cover of the lamp head and loosen the fixing bracket screws. Step 7. Connect the controller cable to the solar panel cable. Step 8. Observe whether the lamp is off normally. Step 9. Tighten the bracket screws of lamp head and cover the rear cover. Step 10. Install the pole. The installation of the vertical solar PV poles is now complete. Thank you for watching and wishing you a successful installation.